Everybody, this is John. Welcome to the free video. So let's take a quick look here on the spiders. You can see the spiders here are trading in between 2 and 3 ATR. A squeeze is fired. I'm not expecting much upside from here. If anything, a potential retracement into Pitbull low, which happens at the end of the week prior to monthly expiration. And then from there, I am looking for one more rally. If we do take a look at the Qs, the QQQ, this one, I think, has a little bit more upside here for a couple reasons. One, we've got a squeeze here, the Squeeze Pro that hasn't fired. We've got a beautiful head and shoulders reversal pattern, and we've got a lot of the big FANG stocks that are now playing catch-up. In the room today, we closed out a Google trade. This turned out to be the biggest trade of my career, bigger than all the Tesla trades I did last year. And it was a little bit of pain and suffering as we held on to it, but the squeeze fired, and we got a 3 ATR move. I'll give you guys some more info on this if you're interested in it. I detailed it out more in the premium video, but that was crazy, crazy, crazy move. And then as we head into the rest of this week and next week, for the first time in a long time, I like the prospects of Amazon here. So you got a similar situation where you have the head and shoulders reversal pattern, which I like. We've gotten through it. You know, any pullbacks there, buyable, sell, put credit spread. But at this point, I'm not looking for an explosive move higher, but certainly am willing to sell spreads. And then last but not least, I do want to take a look at the dollar index. The dollar index impacts a lot of things here. And I thought that the dollar had put in an intermediate term top here and was ready to see gold and silver rally. We came back to the mean and we had one more push higher. So I do think that this actually is an intermediate term top. It'll confirm this week if we get a weekly close below the mean, and in that case I would expect gold and silver to finally have a much delayed day in the sun. All right, hope it helps. You guys have a fantastic evening, and we'll see you at the next update.
Without simpler trading, I could not have financial independence.
This is one of the best investments I ever made in my life.
It's helping me find consistency.
It's one of the things that won me